everyone, Lisa again. Now in this season, we're diving into the electrical side of the car and how it works. And on this episode, we're touching on the heart of the electrical system, and that is the alternator. Now to help me today, I have a seasoned mechanic, Charles. He's here to clear things up for me. How are you today, Charles?
Hi, Lily. I'm fine, thanks, and you?
I'm very good, thank you. So perhaps we'll start right at the beginning. Yes. Charles, can you tell me what is the alternator?
So the alternator is basically a charging device which is responsible for charging and maintaining battery voltage and voltage for the electrical system.
Yeah. And the electrical system basically deals with everything in the car.
Everything inside the car.
Yeah.
From engine management, radio, air conditioning, wipers, electric windows, even your airbag system.
So now I'm curious, how exactly does this alternator look?
So we have one here today. The alternator consists of a rotor, a stator, a voltage rectifier, and a diode rectifier.
Altogether, all these work to essentially, I think you said, convert alternating current to direct current.
Yes,
yeah.
that's it.
And that'll make my car work.
That will keep the battery charged, maintain battery voltage, and voltage to the workings of the vehicle. Alternator on this type of vehicle, which is situated right at the back there behind the engine.
Behind the engine?
Behind the engine on this specific vehicle.
Yeah.
Suggestion here would be using a qualified mechanic to do this job. However, replacing alternator usually consists of disconnecting battery, removing the serpentine belt or the V-belt,
removing the belt,
and then it should have a wire with a plug or a supply voltage from the battery, and just a simple plug that you can disconnect, as well as a couple of bolts that you need removing.
So what I'm seeing is that it's definitely a good idea to rather have a qualified mechanic help me, because it looks rather difficult to get all the way in there. And I also remember you showing me there's different components in the alternator. So how do I know which component exactly is at fault, that's making my poor machine not work anymore?
This here, multimeter.
Multimeter, yeah.
This is like a combination multimeter amp clamp. So in this case, we will use direct current, DC voltage, which then use negative terminal on the negative terminal of the battery. You can just unclip this cover. By that, you have battery voltage of 12.36 voltage.
So the reading is telling me exactly if my alternator is charging or not.
This specific reading would more so show you battery health and condition. Not exactly battery health and condition, but current battery voltage. So now if we go ahead and start the vehicle.
So what I can see here is that my alternator is working just fine.
Currently, it's up to scratch.
Perfect. Well, Charles, I must say you've done a brilliant job at maybe charging up my knowledge about the alternator, and you've been a huge help today. Thank you so much.
That's a big pleasure.
All it comes down to take care of your alternator is just keep up with the maintenance of your car. Now, all this knowledge should empower you to be the best car owner you can be and help you keep on driving.